Okay folks, we're going to try to trade from 16,253 and 66 cents to 20,000 on a demo account. We're going to be using 5-second candles on Heiken Ashi. We are doing 5-second expiries. What we're going to do is set our super trend at 1 and 1. It's not always going to print the change exactly right, but if we look at the level they give us, for example, if they give us this level, we'll usually try to follow the break of that level right here, even before it prints the new direction sometimes. Okay, let's pick our asset. We're going to go over here to Amex OTC. Okay, our goal is to trade $100 positions, multiple trades, multiple entry points from 16 to 20,000. And again, our super trend is 1 and 1. Okay, we're going to be looking for a level for when it changes direction. Okay, here we're actually breaking the level to the top. So I bought 5 there and 5 more. And I think it's still going to break the level. We're looking at the behavior. And we waited for it, and now it is breaking through the level. Okay? So what I did there is I tried not to buy too fast, but I saw it breaking the level here, right down here, it pulled back, but then I saw it start to take off, so I bought again right here. Okay, we're up to 18 already. Now that was just a level, broken level. So it's similar to the change of a super trend. Now here it already is changing, pulling back. I'm going to start buying in slowly. And we're not going to buy too fast. And now there's a big push and a thrust down, and we're going to try to write some of that down. And like I said, we're on demo, and we're up to 19,441. Okay, we are in Central Standard Time. It's 9:57 p.m. Central Standard Time on a demo account in the United States. Okay, we're going to change the asset. Here we're kind of going back and forth a little bit. This could provide some opportunities. Let's see if we can find a reversal here. Okay, our level is going to be this level, even if it doesn't print. Okay, now we have a new level forming, but it's coming back to this level. Okay, we might take some of these if it breaks down and pushes, but we're going to wait for that thrust. Okay, this level is still holding. Now we're coming back one more time. Still holding, coming back again. I think this level is probably going to break to the upside. Okay, about 7 there. Buying in slowly. And I won some of those. But we're going to go ahead and change our asset one more time. Let's see if we can get a trend change here. We're going to wait for it. And we have to wait for this level to be broken, and with some kind of an impulse. Starting to get a little bit of something here. We bought 7. Now we're going to wait for the level and buy 7 more. See if we can get a push through. And we did get a push through. Okay, so this is demo account. We're going to end at 20,973. Alright, so all we did was set our super trend at 1 and 1, 5-second candles, Heiken Ashi candles, 5-second expiry. We're looking for broken levels. Right here, if we see it start to break through and it's starting to get some kind of a action, then we look for that and we take it. Alright? Okay, so that's what we did. What do you say that we overtrade? Let's try to trade to 25, okay? So this would be what you don't want to do, is overtrade, but I'm going to do it anyway and see if we can get up to 25 now. Okay, so Tesla sometimes, OTC has very impulsive behavior. All these are OTC on pocket option. Okay, a little bit of a level broken there. And we're going to see if it'll continue to push through. We did get a new print. We're going to try to buy pretty heavy there in hopes that it will continue to the upside. Okay, it did go our way on most of this. Okay, we're still at 21.3 though. So we had a little bit of a win, but we had to risk a lot buying in. Okay, so sometimes if we do something like silver, it will have a lot of thrust power. This is pretty good because it's going back and forth and it is breaking the level and carrying through. Our new goal is 25 because we are, of course, overtrading. About 7 right there. We bought 7 more. And this did not go our way yet. And it might go the other way. Okay, we're coming back to the level one more time. About 7 there. The level is still holding. So I'm going to start buying in. Because now we're finally getting this push through, this thrust through. And we're up to 22. Okay? So I have been trading about 2.5 years on low time frames like 5 seconds. And so I've been trying to learn this behavior, of course. Now this actually looks pretty solid right here with gold. This kind of a chart looks really nice to me. We'll see if it pays off. Okay, it's starting to push through here. Okay, we have 10 buys there. I'm going to try 10 more. And hopefully we get a continuation on the demo account, of course. And we are up to 23.9. Okay, let's see if we can get this going up. Okay, we got a little bit of something here. Bought a few. We're still holding. We're not going to buy too much because we still see some impulse going down. We won some of those, but we're just breaking even basically. Okay, here we go. Here's a nice thrust through on the downside. Let's see if this will play on through. On the demo, and we made it to 25. Okay, so we're at 25,053.66. So we're up on the account from 16. All right. So if that was real money, of course, that would be another perfect place to stop, which is exactly what we're going to do. Okay, again, our super trend was just 1 and 1. Now it doesn't always print correctly, especially if you're on real candles. It's not going to print right. It's going to kind of be a little bit. It's going to kind of repaint a little bit. But on the Heiken Ashi, it tends to not repeat quite as much. Alright, that's it for now. Y'all have a great one. This was a Tuesday evening, Central Standard Time. We're not going to take this trade, but as you can see right here, if we're getting a lot of momentum like we do sometimes on gold and silver, then this could have been a possible trade if we started back here. Okay. Alright, that's it for now. Y'all have a great one. Take care.